welcome back to the channel Mathematics World. In the last video we have take Euclid's lemma and Euclidean algorithm. In Euclidean algorithm we saw how we find the GCD of two variable by using Euclid algorithm, okay, which is in the journal form. Now we take specific examples. So let's begin. Here I have two examples for you and then I will give you some exercise to solve. Okay, so first example is find the GCD of 119 and 272 and express it in the form of 119x plus 272y. How we'll solve this? First we divide 272 by 119. So here we get 238. We subtract this, we'll get 34. Again we divide 119 by 34. So here we get 102 because 34 3s are 102. So here we get the remainder 17, and last we divide 34 by 17. We get 17 2s are 34. So we get remainder 0. So here we get remainder 0. Now how we write this in equation form? First we write 272 is equal to this 119 into 2 plus the remainder, that is 34. Next, this is our first equation. Now second equation, 119 is equal to 34 into 3 plus 17. This is equation number 2. And third equation is 34 is equal to 17 into 2 plus 0. Okay, so from this equation we get GCD of 119 and 272 is equal to 17. Okay, so we can write these equations in another form, that is we write here 17 which is equal to, we shift this 34 into 3 that side, so we get 119 minus 34 into 3. Again we substitute the value of 34, that is 119 minus in a bracket 272, this 272 minus 119 into 2 and into this 3. So we write here 3 which is equal to 119 minus 272 into 3. We multiply this by 3 and this equation, for this number we multiply 3. Okay, so this minus minus become plus. So here we write 119 into 6, 3 2s are 6. Now what we do? We take this 119 common. So in a bracket what we get? 1 plus 6 minus 272 into 3. So here we write 119 into 7 plus 272 into minus 3. Here we have to write in the form of 119x plus 272y. So that's why we take this minus sign inside. So here the value of x is our 7 and y is equal to minus 3. This is how you can solve the equation and find the GCD of, we find out the GCD of minus 1092 and 195 and express it in the form of linear combination, that is 1092x plus 195 into y. Okay, so let's start the solution. Here we divide 1092 by 195. 195 into 5 is equal to 975. So we subtract this, we'll get 117. Now again 195 divide 117. So 117, 1, 117. So here we get the remainder as 78. Now we divide 117 by this 78. So we get here 78 ones are 78. So we get the remainder is 39. Now we divide 78 by 39, which is equal to 39 2s are 78. So here we get remainder 0, and this is where the process ends. Okay, so we write this in equation form like we did in last example. So here we write 1092 is equal to 195 into 5 plus 117. Second, 195 is equal to 117 into 1 plus 78. Now we write this 117 is equal to this 78 into 1 plus the remainder is 39. So we write here 39, and last 78 is equal to 39 into 2 plus 0. Okay, these are the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here the GCD of 1092 and 195 is equal to 39. Now we have to express this in this form. So how we write this 39 is equal to 117 minus 78 into 1. Now again we substitute the value of 78. Value of 78 is 117 minus 195 minus 117 into 1 into 1. Okay, this is the value of 78 and into 1. So therefore what we get, 117 minus 195 into 1, minus minus become plus, 117 into 1. Now we take 117 common, so here we get 1 plus 1 minus 195 into 1. So 117 into 2 minus 195 into 1. Now here we substitute the value of 117. So we get 1092 minus 195 into 5 into 2 minus this as it is. So we write 2 into 1092 minus 195 into 10 minus 195 into 1. So now we take 195 common. So we get here 10 plus 1 because we take minus sign outside. Okay, so from this is as it is, minus 195, 10 plus 1 is 11. So we write here 11. Now our equation is in the form 1092x plus 195 into y. Okay, but in the equation they gave us minus sign, so for that reason here we write which is equal to minus 1092 minus 2 plus 195 into minus 11. So this is the equation we write, and this is the linear combination for 1092 and 195. I hope you understand this, how to solve. This is easy method to solve. So let me give you an example. Your first question is, find the GCD of 2210 and 357 and write it in the form of 2210x plus 357y. Okay, this is your first question. And second question is, find the GCD of 497 and 3015 and write it in the form 497x plus 3015y. So these are the two examples which you can solve by yourself. I will post the solution of this on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, do follow me, so you will get the solutions which I gave you for an exercise. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll take least common multiple, that is LCM, and the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Bye.